Hi everybody! In this second lesson, we will discover the tags to build the skeleton of an HTML page and how to run it in a browser. Launch Notepad++ and start writing the main tags that form the skeleton of the HTML page. Start with the open tag HTML and close it with /HTML. Between the two tags, open and close the tag's head and body as shown on the screen. Execute the command file save as. Choose the file type HTML, give a name to your page, and press on the button Save. Once you save the page, you notice that the tags are now colored in order to help you identify any error. Now comes the time to launch the page in the browser. From the main menu, click on Run and choose the active browser you have on your computer. Once the browser is launched, you notice that the page is empty. This is normal since nothing is written between the two tags body and /body. Going back to Notepad++, between the two tags body and /body, write, "This is my first page in HTML." Save it again and go back to your browser and refresh it to see how the sentence is displayed. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.